Ecoway. Expect better. Welcome to Ecoway troubleshooting video. In this short video tutorial, you will learn how to fix the bidet clogging issue on your smart toilet. This video tutorial is compatible with all Ecoway smart toilets. Step 1. Connect your smart toilet to the power socket. Step 2. Press the nozzle clean button on the remote control. The wand will automatically extend out to allow the user to manually clean the bidet nozzle. Step 3. Gently apply some pressure and pull down to remove the cap from the nozzle. Step 4. Using a brush with warm soapy water, brush the nozzle thoroughly to remove any buildup. Don't forget to thoroughly clean the cap as well. Step 5. After you have cleaned all the parts, you can go ahead and attach the cap back to the nozzle. If you completed all the steps correctly, your nozzle tip will be functioning properly. Let's go ahead and test it out. Get yourself comfortable, sit down on the seat and press either front wash or rear wash to feel the water pressure. If you completed all the steps correctly, your nozzle water pressure should be back to normal. If the nozzle tip is still clogged, it is recommended to replace it with a new one. Please contact the Ecoway service team for further assistance. Thank you for watching.